To connect your Soundcore R50i earbuds to any smart TV is fairly simple. Go ahead and navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your smart TV. And then once you're in the Bluetooth settings, all you need to do is simply put your Soundcore R50i earbuds in pairing mode. To do that, just open up the case and remove them from the charging case. Once they've been removed from the charging case, simply wait for your TV to detect the earbuds. And once they've been successfully detected, they should appear in the list of available devices. So all you need to do is simply select them like so, and then confirm that you wish to pair and connect. Once you've confirmed the pairing process and they've been connected successfully, you can now use the specific set of buds to listen to any audio coming from your smart TV. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.